Before you watch this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and most importantly, don't forget to subscribe!
Hello, today we're going to be making Oreo popsicles. What you need is an Oreo package, popsicle sticks, milk, and a container. So let's get started.
First thing you need is to open an Oreo package and take out all of the Oreos.
Next, crush the Oreos until they're fully crushed. Make sure to try not to pop the bag.
Next, gently open the top of the bag and try not to rip it.
Next, line up the Oreo packages and make sure none of them are falling over. Then, use a measuring cup and pour some milk in it. You don't have to use a measuring cup, it's just to be precise.
Next, pour the milk from the measuring cup into the Oreo container. Just don't spill it like we did. Then put popsicle sticks into each Oreo package.
Next, put them in the freezer for 3 to 4 hours.
Then unwrap it, and there you go. There's your Oreo popsicle.